Welcome to our video guide on designing the ultimate outdoor fire pit and lounge area. Whether you're looking to create a cozy gathering space for friends and family or a serene retreat for relaxation, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore different types of fire pits, essential safety considerations, and creative seating options. We'll also dive into lighting, landscaping, and additional features that will elevate your outdoor space into a functional and stylish oasis. Let's get started on transforming your backyard into the perfect retreat. 1. Types of fire pit. Selecting the right type of fire pit is a fundamental step in creating your outdoor haven. Wood-burning fire pits offer a traditional campfire experience, with the delightful crackling of flames and the inviting aroma of burning wood. They are great for those who cherish the classic outdoor fire setting. Alternatively, gas fire pits provide convenience and a clean burning option, often fueled by propane or natural gas. These are ideal for individuals seeking an easy-to-use fire feature without the hassle of wood. Fire tables combine functionality with aesthetics, serving as both a fire feature and a table for drinks and snacks, adding a modern touch to your space. Portable fire pits, on the other hand, offer flexibility and are excellent for smaller spaces, as they can be easily relocated as needed. 2. Fire pit materials. The choice of materials for your fire pit can significantly influence its appearance and durability. Stone fire pits offer a natural and enduring option, making them ideal for rustic or elegant designs. Metal fire pits, such as those made from stainless steel or cast iron, provide a modern, industrial aesthetic that complements contemporary outdoor spaces. Concrete fire pits are also a popular choice for their minimalist and sleek look, fitting seamlessly into modern designs. Each material brings its own unique charm, allowing you to tailor your fire pit to suit your personal style. 3. Safety considerations. Safety is a paramount consideration when designing your fire pit area. Ensure proper clearance from buildings, trees, and other structures to minimize fire hazards. Using a fireproof base, such as gravel, stone, or a fire-resistant mat, can prevent accidental fires. Additionally, it's crucial to keep a fire extinguisher or a water source nearby for emergencies, ensuring that you are prepared for any unexpected situations. By prioritizing safety, you can enjoy your fire pit with peace of mind. 4. Seating options. The seating arrangement in your lounge area plays a crucial role in creating a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. Built-in seating, such as stone or wooden benches, provides a permanent and cohesive look, integrating seamlessly with the fire pit. For more flexibility, outdoor sofas and chairs offer comfort and can be easily rearranged to accommodate different gatherings. Classic Adirondack chairs are another great option, providing a casual and comfortable seating choice for lounging around the fire. Each seating option offers its own unique style, allowing you to tailor your space to your preferences. 5. Layout and spacing. When designing the layout of your lounge area, consider placing seating in a circular or semicircular arrangement. This setup promotes optimal warmth from the fire and encourages conversation among guests. It is also important to maintain a safe distance between the fire pit and seating to prevent overheating or accidental burns. Incorporating pathways into your design ensures easy access to and from the area, enhancing the overall functionality of the space. With thoughtful planning, you can create a harmonious and inviting environment for everyone to enjoy. 6. Lighting. The right lighting can significantly enhance the ambiance of your outdoor fire pit and lounge area. String lights or lanterns can provide a warm, inviting glow, creating a cozy atmosphere for evening gatherings. Solar-powered stake lights are an excellent choice for illuminating pathways, ensuring safety while adding a decorative touch. For a modern flair, consider recessed lighting in built-in seating, which can add a stylish element to your design. Thoughtful lighting choices can transform your outdoor space into a magical retreat. 7. Accessories and decor. Incorporating accessories and decor can elevate the comfort and style of your lounge area. Outdoor rugs can help define the space while adding comfort underfoot. Throw blankets and cushions not only enhance coziness but also allow you to introduce colors and patterns that reflect your personal style. Side tables are practical additions, providing convenient spots for drinks and snacks during gatherings. By adding these thoughtful elements, you can create a welcoming and stylish outdoor oasis. 8. Weather considerations. To ensure that your outdoor space remains enjoyable in various weather conditions, consider installing a pergola or canopy for shade and protection from the elements. Using weather-resistant furniture and cushions will help maintain the longevity of your outdoor lounge area. Additionally, storing cushions and accessories in waterproof storage when not in use will protect them from rain and moisture, ensuring they remain in excellent condition. With these considerations, you can enjoy your outdoor space year-round. 9. Outdoor bar or kitchen. To take your outdoor fire pit and lounge area to the next level, consider adding an outdoor bar or kitchen. This feature is perfect for entertaining guests, allowing you to prepare and serve food and drinks without having to go back inside. An outdoor kitchen can include a grill, sink, and countertop space, making it a functional and enjoyable addition to your space. With this enhancement, your outdoor area becomes a complete entertainment hub. 10. Water features. Incorporating water features, such as a fountain or pond, can add a soothing contrast to the fire pit. The sound of flowing water can create a tranquil atmosphere, enhancing the overall relaxation of your outdoor space. Water features can also serve as a beautiful focal point, drawing attention and adding visual interest to the area. By combining fire and water, you create a harmonious balance in your outdoor oasis. 11. Surrounding landscaping. Finally, consider the landscaping surrounding your fire pit and lounge area. Lush greenery, colorful flowers, or a rock garden can enhance the aesthetics of your outdoor space, creating a serene and inviting environment. Thoughtful landscaping can also provide additional privacy, making your fire pit area a secluded retreat for relaxation and enjoyment. With the right landscaping, you can seamlessly integrate your fire pit into the natural beauty of your surroundings.